Hello everyone, hello my students. Today we will study multiplying decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's start. Multiplying fractions and decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. For example guys, first find the following products. Number 1, 1.23 times 10. To multiply a decimal by 10, just move the decimal point one digit to the right, so equals 12.3. Number 2, 24.235 times 100. To multiply a decimal by 100, just move the decimal point two digits to the right. Now guys, it will be 2423.5. Next guys, 0.2332 times 1000. By the same way, we will move the decimal point to the right just 3 digits. It will be 233.2. Next guys, by the same way, to multiply by 10,000, just move the decimal point to the right 3 digits or 3 decimal places. We will get 3342.6. Next guys, 0.7 times 10. Now move the decimal point just one digit to the right. It will be just 7. It's a whole number. Next guys, 7.32 times 100. We will move the decimal point 3 decimal places to the right. We will get a whole number. It will be 732. Next, 0.435 times 1000. It will be the same. It will be a whole number, 435. Next guys, 0.7432 times 10,000. We have 4 decimal places. Just move the decimal point to the right 4 decimal places. It will be 7432. It's a whole number. Next guys, you have to insert zeros. 3.7 times 100. So you will move the decimal point just 3 decimal places to the right. We have just 1 decimal place, which is 7. So you have to insert 1 0. It will be 370. By the same way, 3.7 times 1000. We will move the decimal point 3 decimal places to the right. We have just 1 decimal place. You have to insert 00. It will be 307,000. 0.1 times 100. It will be 10. By the same way, 0.7 times 10,000. You have to move the decimal point 4 decimal places. We have just 1 decimal place, so you have to insert 3 zeros. So the product, it will be 7,000. Now we can deduce guys to multiply decimals by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. We have the decimal times 10. Just move the decimal point 1 digit to the right. To multiply the decimal by 100, you will move the decimal point 2 digit to the right. Multiplying by 1000, just move the decimal point 3 decimal places to the right. For example guys, 0.6 times 10, it will be a whole number 6. Just move the decimal point to the right 1 decimal place. 0.7 times 100, you have to insert 1 0. So it will be 70. 0.76 times 1000 guys, just move the decimal point 3 digits to the right. We have just 2 decimal places, so you have to insert just 1 0. It will be 760. 0.888 times 1000. It will be 888. It's a whole number. Don't forget guys, sometimes you have to put zeros in the product. Let's have an example. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, 98.7 times 100. Now guys, move the decimal point to the right 2 decimal places. We have just 1 decimal place, so you have to insert 1 0. It will be 9870. Next guys, 0.067 times 1000. Just move the decimal point 3 decimal places. Yes, it will be a whole number. It will be 67. Next guys, 21.3 times 10. Just move the decimal point just 1 decimal place. Why guys? Ask yourself. Because we will multiply the decimal by 10. it will be 213. It's a whole number. Next guys, find the missing number. Number 1 guys, 0.6 times what equals 60. Now keep your eye on the product. It will be 60. We will move the decimal point 2 decimal places to the right. Now multiplying by what guys? Yes, by 100. Next, 3.6 times what equals 36. It will be a whole number. Now guys, move the decimal point just 1 decimal place. Now we can say that 3.6 times 10 equals 36. Number 3, 0.77 times what guys equals 7.7. Do you note guys, the decimal point moved just 1 decimal place. Now multiplying by what? Yes, multiplying by 10. Number 4, 12.3 times what equals 12,300 guys. Keep your eye on the product. It will be 12,300. Now just we will move the decimal point guys. How many digits? Yes, how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. Pay attention guys, double zero are inserted. Now guys, multiplying by what? Yes, multiplying by 1000. 16.8 times what guys equals 1680. By the same way guys, the decimal point moved 2 decimal places. Now we will multiply by 100. Finally guys, 0.325 times what equals 32.5. We will move the decimal point 2 digits to the right. Now multiplying by what guys? Yes, by 100. We studied before guys that 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. So to convert from kilogram guys to gram, we will multiply by 1000. Vice versa, from gram to kilogram, we will divide by 1000. For example guys, 1.752 kilogram equals how many grams? Just we will multiply 1.752 by 1000. We will move the decimal point to the right 3 decimal places. It will be a whole number, 1752 grams. Next, 0.8 kilogram. By the same way, we will multiply by 1000. We will get 800 grams. Finally guys, 3.002 kilogram equals how many grams? We have 3 decimal places. Now just move the decimal point 3 decimal places. We will multiply by 1000. Now guys, it will be a whole number, 3002 gram. By the same way, to convert from 1 pound to pasters, just we will multiply by 100. From pasters to pounds, we will divide by 100. So guys, complete. 728.8 equals how many pasters? We will multiply by 100. Just move the decimal point 2 decimal places to the right. We will insert just 1 0. It will be 72,880. Next guys, 7.25 to be pasters guys, just multiply by 100. It will be a whole number. We will get 725. Now guys, 9 pounds equals how many pasters? 9 is a whole number guys. Just we will multiply by 100. We will get 900 pasters. Don't forget guys that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. We studied before. To convert from meter to centimeter, we will multiply by 100. From centimeter guys, we will study 2 meter. We will divide by 100. Now 3 and 3/4 meter equals how many centimeter? We studied before guys that 3/4 equals what as a decimal? Yes, equals 0.75. Now we can write 3 and 3/4 meter as what guys? As 3.75 meter. Now to convert from meter to centimeter, just multiply by 100. We will move the decimal point 2 decimal places to the right. Now guys, we will get 375 centimeter. Next, we studied before that 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. So to convert from decimeter to centimeter, we will multiply by 10. For example guys, 4.5 decimeter equals how many centimeter? Just multiply 4.5 by 10. We will get 45 centimeter. 0.8 decimeter equals what, guys? Yes, equals 8 centimeter. Finally, by the same way, 37.3 decimeter equals what? Centimeter, guys. Just we will multiply 37.3 by 10. We will get 373 centimeter. We studied, guys, that 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. To convert from kilometer to meter, just multiply by 1000. For example, guys, we have a decimal number. 4.5 kilometer equals how many meter, guys? Just we will multiply by 1000. We have just one decimal place. Pay attention, you have to insert double zero. Now we will get 4500 meter. 3.86 kilometer. By the same way, multiplying by 1000, we will get, guys, 3860 meter. Finally, 37.3, we have just one decimal place, so you have to insert double zero. It will be 37,300 meter. Finally, guys, let's revise some relations. First, guys, 1 kilometer equals 100,000 centimeter. Next, guys, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. 1 meter equals 1000 millimeter. Finally, guys, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching. See you next video.